Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to plan a wedding or event. So here is a step-by-step guide to using it. Number one is that you will just create your Pinterest account and sign up or log in easily. And after you will just move in your profile simply. And when you just get in and you will just set up for a board. So I will just show you that how to create a separate board for different aspects. So I will just scroll down and just tap on it, this plus icon which is right, and here's the second option is board. I will just tap on it. So example, you will just create a separate board for different aspects like wedding dress, venue, ideas, decor. So example, if I will just write it for a wedding dress, and if you want to keep this board a secret, so you will just choose it right over here and just tap to create it simple. So save some pins to your new board. So if I just tap to save it and just tap on it, simply done. And I will just move in the home feed right over here. So you will just use the specific keywords like on your wedding dresses in the search. So simply we just write it wedding dresses, and let's see. So example, if I just choose this wedding dress, and if you want to add in your wedding dress board, so I will just tap on it profile and just tap to wedding dress and hit the save button. So in this way you can just use to Pinterest to plan a wedding or event easily. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.